Let us see one example of search. My head is paining since yesterday. What things from my home kitchen I can use to remove my pain? These are the keywords for which I am searching for. This is a bad example, right? A unnecessary lengthy query. Many people I have seen, they search like this. The problem with this is, first, you will get the results, but those are not that accurate and you need to spend more time to choose the proper one. Second, for lengthy queries, Google search takes time to give you the result back. To optimize our query, here are some tips. First, think about what you are trying to find. Be specific. So here in this case, I am looking for my head is paining, home kitchen things to remove my pain. Second, use words which you want to see in search results. So here I definitely want to see the keywords like head pain, remove, kitchen and things. Third is put yourself in the mindset of author. This is something which you will learn with practice of understanding the search results. So for head pain, the common keywords generally used is headache, and for home kitchen thing, the common keyword generally used is home remedies. So the author and creator of web pages use the common words on their site so that it is easily searchable for those keywords. So if I choose my words wisely, then I can turn my bad example to good example, that is headache home remedies. So let me search with our big query and I will open another tab and search with the good query. Now let us compare the quality of search results. For the big bad query, I was looking for homemade headache recipes and observe the search results. How to get rid of headache without medication, ways to get rid of headache quickly. See the quality of search results. Those are not that accurate and I need to visit each page to understand more, means extra headache. Now let us go to other tab and analyze the search results. See here, Google has put its intelligence to work and shown us the ready-made snippet of 18 headache remedies. No need to visit this page explicitly, right? Observe the right side knowledge panel, which has a detailed information on headache overview and treatment and general information on when to consult doctor. And if you further scroll down, you are seeing 10 natural remedies for migraines, ways to get rid of headache quickly. So just compare the search result. Which one do you see the better one? The second one, right? For the short query. So this is the benefit of using short and specific search queries. And one thing I want you to notice here is for the big query, see the time taken. It is 0.65 seconds. And see for the short query, it is 0.55 seconds. So it is much faster, right? So for efficient and better quality search results, choose your keywords wisely.